How to prepare for a solar superflare, surviving the sun's fury. The sun, our life-giving star, keeps us warm and powers our planet. But what happens when it throws a massive temper tantrum, like a solar superflare? Let's explore how to prepare for this cosmic wildfire. What did the sun say to Earth after a solar flare? Sorry for the heated argument. What is a solar superflare? A solar superflare is a massive burst of energy released from the sun, far more intense than regular solar flares. These events emit radiation, high-energy particles, and magnetic storms that can disrupt life on Earth. How common are solar flares? Solar flares are relatively common, occurring during the sun's 11-year solar cycle. However, superflares are rare and could be thousands of times stronger than any observed in modern history. Historical evidence of solar flares. The Carrington Event of 1859 was the most powerful solar storm recorded. Telegraph systems worldwide failed, and auroras were visible as far south as the Caribbean. A modern equivalent would cause unprecedented damage. Immediate effects of a superflare. A superflare could disable satellites, disrupt GPS systems, and knock out communication networks. Air travel, especially over polar regions, would come to a halt due to high radiation levels. Impact on power grids. One of the most significant threats is to power grids. A strong solar storm could induce geomagnetic currents, overloading transformers and causing long-term blackouts that could take months or years to repair. Radiation risks for humans. While Earth's atmosphere protects us from most solar radiation, astronauts and high-altitude pilots are more vulnerable. Advanced warning systems are critical to ensure their safety during such events. The role of space weather forecasting agencies like NASA and NOAA monitor solar activity to predict flares and storms. Early warnings can help governments and industries take preventive measures, such as shutting down power grids temporarily. Protecting technology from solar flares. Critical infrastructure like power plants and communication networks can be shielded against geomagnetic storms. Devices can also be equipped with surge protectors to minimize damage. How to prepare at home. Stockpiling essentials like food, water, batteries, and first aid is vital. Having solar-powered chargers and portable radios can help you stay informed during extended outages. The economic impact. A severe solar storm could cost trillions of dollars in damages, affecting industries from telecommunications to finance. Recovery would require coordinated global efforts and significant investment. Can we prevent a superflare? While we can't prevent solar flares, understanding their triggers helps us mitigate risks. Research into shielding satellites and hardening power grids continues to advance. The psychological impact on society. A widespread blackout or communication failure could lead to panic and social unrest. Governments and communities must focus on public awareness and resilience to maintain order. Lessons from the sun's solar activity reminds us of our dependence on technology and the fragility of our systems. Preparing for such cosmic events can help us build a more resilient society. While a solar superflare sounds terrifying, preparation and awareness can minimize its impact. Understanding the sun's behavior and strengthening our infrastructure ensures we're ready for even the fiercest solar storms. Let's hope the sun keeps its tantrums in check, but if it doesn't, we'll be prepared to weather the storm, literally. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.